In today's video, we present a mini robust smartphone with almost two flagship specifications. To meet the demands of one-handed operation, the Blackview N6000 has a screen of only 4.3 inches, which is equivalent to a computer mouse. Even individuals with small hands like kids can easily operate it with one hand. Although the size of phone is relatively small, the front of the device is large, which makes it convenient for older users to handle and read. To meet the need for portability, the N6000 weighs only 208 grams. Like any other high-end rugged phone, the N6000 has rubber edges equipped with the metal inserts and screws, and its thickness of 18.44mm is twice as thick as a regular smartphone, ensuring its robustness. In addition, the UHD Plus screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 to offer 2 times more scratch resistance along with abrasion resistance, so there has been no problem with the glass breaking during multiple drops. In addition to meeting MIL-STD 810H military standards for drop resistance and IP68 and IP69K certifications for water resistance, the N6000 excels in drop resistance due to its smaller footprint compared to other mainstream rugged phones. The N6000 is not only durable on the outside, but also powerful under the hood, as you can see in this promo video. In any case, Blackview N6000 sales links are in the description below this video. Visit them now and get yourself a new mini flagship smartphone with a promotional price of only $149.99. Buy it today. That will be all for now. See you soon in the next video. Bye.